This video introduces a Trinity use case demonstration for rapid development, testing and validation of large-scale wireless sensor networks for production environment. In this video we will present how our Trinity solution contributes to agile manufacturing, what are the benefits of this solution in factory digitalization and how could manufacturing companies benefit from this solution, what are the application scenarios of this solution, what kind of investments are required for this solution, and at the end we will give conclusions. Contribution to agile manufacturing. The proposed solution can bring digitalization to factory while reducing the costs and minimizing the factory downtime while doing so. The cost reduction is achieved by using infrastructure as a service instead of acquiring the infrastructure, and that also leads to reduced development time, meaning less engineering hours are needed. Infrastructure as a service enables faster time to prototype by providing bare bone of the necessary technical implementation and allowing more focus on business logic implementation. Benefits of the solution. In the factory not yet digitalized, the complexity and cost of undergoing the digitalization process is quite cumbersome. In the traditional way, this requires the acquirement of new equipment supporting the digitalized features, leading to high costs in equipment purchase, human resource retraining with the new equipment, and lost revenue due to downtime of factory while the upgrade process is undergoing. The proposed solution tries to provide an alternative route of introducing digitalization in the factory, still running the original equipment, thus completely avoiding all the previously mentioned downsides of factory digitalization process. This approach allows for faster implementation times, reduced cost, and some flexibility of experimentation with the digitalized solution validation and fine-tuning, ultimately allowing the investor to be 100% sure of the returns he is getting after he decides to make an investment and purchase the digitalized solution for the factory. Infrastructure as a service provides the backbone infrastructure necessary to implement a large-scale sensor network, including the basic hardware and software management tools, allows for flexible installation without the requirement to install additional wires in the factory, gives the flexibility of heterogeneous sensor and IoT device testing for comparison and validation. Application scenarios. A factory with somewhat dated equipment wants to reduce the maintenance cost by introducing smart predictive maintenance. They use the infrastructure as a service to validate that such solution is possible at all, fine-tune the used hardware and sensor locations, and develop the business logic of the digitalized solution. With all-around knowledge of the necessary equipment installation procedures and gain benefits, they make an investment in standalone hardware. Necessary investments. The proposed solution uses infrastructure as a service, meaning that the usage fee of the infrastructure must be counted in. The actual cost depends on multiple factors such as usage time, necessary workstation count, and provided support. It is discussed individually. Finally, we would like to conclude this video by emphasizing that the proposed solution uses infrastructure as a service in attempt to ease the factory digitalization process. The solution promotes savings on cost and time compared to the traditional approach. If you got interested and would like to find out more, see the following training material describing the system in more detail. Thank you very much for watching this Trinity use case introduction video.